Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from Udemy Full Guide. Start by choosing a beginner Python course with clear lectures, exercises, and a project to build. Break material into small daily sessions and practice by coding along. Use quizzes and assignments to test retention and revisit weak topics. Join course discussions and code review groups to get feedback. Keep a project portfolio to show practical skills and measure improvement over time. When picking a Udemy course, focus on curriculum that emphasizes projects and real code. Look for instructors who explain concepts clearly and provide starter templates. Check whether the course includes files, exercises, and quizzes to reinforce learning. Decide if you want beginner, intermediate, or full-stack content based on current skills. Opt for courses that offer lifetime access so you can revisit lessons while building your portfolio and confidence. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to make your commute smell great and keep coding sessions more pleasant. I use it when I jump from tutorials to practice to keep focused and energized. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt a project-first mindset. Build small apps that solve real problems. Break projects into milestones and commit code, often with Git for version control and reflection. Supplement lectures with targeted practice. Implement algorithms, debug errors, and refactor code. Use flashcards for syntax and spaced repetition to retain concepts. Seek feedback from peers or mentors and iterate until the project works reliably and reads clearly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.